Inventors, read it yourself. Read, discover, and learn. Inventors was written by Lorraine Horsley, illustrated by John Dillow, Martin Sanders, and Chris Rothero. And welcome. Inventors and their inventions. Johann Gutenberg invented the printing press in 1455. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876. Joseph Swan and Thomas Edison invented the light bulb in 1878. Carl Benz invented the motor car in 1885. Josephine Cochrane inventing the dishwasher in 1886. Whitcomb Judson invented the zipper in 1893. Hubert Booth invented the vacuum cleaner in 1902. Garrett Morgan invented the traffic signal in 1923. John Logie Barb invented the television in 1928. Frank McNamara invented the credit card in 1950. Before vacuum cleaners were invented, people had to clean their houses with brushes and dustpans. The first vacuum cleaners were big and heavy. Today, vacuum cleaners are light. Before printing presses were invented, people had to copy books using a pen and paper. The first printing presses were slow. Today, printing presses are fast. Before traffic signals were invented, people could not work out when to stop and when to go. The first traffic signals had stop and go written on them. Today, traffic signals use lights. Before telephones were invented, people could not talk to each other if they were not in the same place. They had to write letters. The first telephones were connected by wires. Today, mobile phones can be used anywhere. Before motor cars were invented, people had to walk or ride horses to get from one place to the other. The first motor cars were very slow. Today, cars are very fast. Before zips were invented, people had to fasten their clothes with lots of buttons and hooks. It used to take a long time to get dressed. Today, clothes are easy to put on and take off using zips. Before televisions were invented, people could not see what was happening in the other countries. The first televisions had black and white pictures. Today, televisions have color pictures. Before dishwashers were invented, people had to wash and dry plates, glasses, and cutlery by hand. The first dishwashers were only used in restaurants. Today, dishwashers are used in homes too. Before light bulbs were invented, people used candles, oil lamps, or gas lamps to see at night. The first light bulbs did not last for long. Today, light bulbs last for a very long time. Before credit cards were invented, people had to pay for everything with paper money or coins. The first credit cards could not be used in many places. Today, credit cards can be used to pay for things everywhere. Can you match the inventor to the invention?